how are you?
Hi, Olly. I'm good, and you?
I'm fine too, thank you. What a beautiful sunny day it is today.
Yes, it is, and it's warm too. It's almost summer, and the sun shines almost every day now. There's a bit of wind in the evenings.
Finally, summer is my favorite season because I can go to the beach and eat ice cream. Today, however, I prefer to come here to the pool instead. And what's your favorite season?
I like autumn. I like seeing the leaves changing color and jumping in piles of dry leaves.
Autumn is nice, but it's a windy season where it rains a lot, morning, afternoon, and evening. I don't like the rain. You always must take an umbrella.
That's true. I like staying home and watching a movie, drinking hot chocolate, and eating butter biscuits when it rains.
I prefer winter, even if it's very cold. I can go to the mountains to ski and wear colorful scarves and hats.
Yes, I love snow and the mountains. We can make snowmen and go snowboarding.
True, then after winter comes spring when the weather is warm. The city is filled with flowers of all colors, yellows, purples, pinks, reds, and the trees turn green again.
Exactly. And in spring there are many sunny days, but sometimes it rains or there are cloudy days. Do you know how many months each season has?
Yes, each season has 3 months. Winter has December, January, and February.
Spring has March, April, and May.
Summer is June, July, and August.
And finally, autumn has September, October, and November.
I wish it was always July.
Or you should move somewhere warm in February, for example, Dubai.
Why? What's the weather like in February in Dubai?
It's sunny and hot.
How nice! February is my birthday month. I would celebrate it at the seaside.
When is your birthday?
On the 14th of February.
Valentine's Day.
Exactly. When is your birthday, Molly?
I was born on the April 1st, 2017.
April Fool's Day. That's funny.
Yes, in fact, every year my siblings play a joke on me.
Like what?
Like they don't wish me a happy birthday, but then they organize me a surprise party with family and friends.
How nice!
Next year you should come to the party too.
With pleasure. Shall we go for ice cream? It's so hot.
Sure, let's go.